Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a LG Stylo 4 and you forgot your password or PIN or swipe code. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset or a hard reset. Okay, very simple. All right, so first thing is go ahead and turn it off. Press and hold the power button. Wait till this window here pops up. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Power off right here. Now the thing is, what we're going to do after the phone is totally off, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the volume down and power button. We want to press and hold both buttons. As soon as you see the LG logo appear, only let go of the power button. Still hold on, never take your finger off the volume down button. So you see the LG logo, let go, and then quickly hold on again, okay? This volume down button, I never let go of this, okay? So my phone is off. Let's do this together, okay? Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. As soon as you see the LG logo, let go, power, and then press again. And now I'm still holding on both buttons again. And there you go. And then from here, don't forget, with the factory reset, you will lose all of your photos, videos, personal data, everything. Okay. Anyways, from here, you just want to go ahead and go down to yes, volume down. So go down to yes. And then you can go ahead and press on the power button to OK it right here. And then basically you get another message here. It says delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps, and reset all settings. Select yes to delete. So if you want to go ahead and proceed, use the volume down button, go to yes, click on the power button, and then let it reboot, let it go through the prompts. And then once everything is back up, it may take like 5 or 10 minutes, but once it's back up, it'll be as if you bought this brand new and took it out of the box, and you would have to set everything up from the very beginning again. The only thing is in regards to the setup process, if you had a Gmail, a Google address or Google email or a Gmail on here, it may ask you for that particular password to proceed with the setup. So take note, okay? Anyways, good luck, guys. I'm not going to do it to this phone, no, all right?